Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look, here I come. 3, look, 2, look, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. In the multiverse. Bye, greatest show in the daggone multiverse. And we have a great show for you today. All right, first off, I know I missed a few shows, guys. Look, I had some fucking legal issues happen. I got subpoenaed. I got subpoenaed to some deposition and all this crap. And it just freaked me out, right? So for the past couple of days, I've been freaked out, fucking consulting with my lawyers and shit about what the hell's going on. They're requesting all these documents and everything from me, and just I've been freaked out. Like, what are you calling me to court for? You know, they want me to testify under oath, right? Like, what the fuck are you asking me shit under oath for, right? You know, so I've been a little nervous, and so I didn't sleep for 2 days. I didn't eat for 2 days. So finally I got some sleep. This morning at 6 a.m., woke up just now, and so now I'm a little bit more refreshed. My lawyer has assured me, Shomari, they're not after you. They're after this guy that I was doing business with. So don't worry, man. You're not in any trouble. So, all right. So I'm in a better mood today. So here we are. So I'm not going to make up all those shows. I'm not going to bullshit you. I'm going to do this show tonight. I'll probably do a weekly wrap up, and then we'll be back to our normal schedule next week. All right. So look. Oh, and so today is Fund Edition. Crypto Fund Edition. So look. Vaneck launches Polygon and Avalanche offerings. We're going to read about that. There we go. Get these small caps in. All right, and then we're going to do a basic story. You know, we follow the ETF applications here in America, every single one, every single time. So SEC delayed Bitwise and Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF. We're going to read about that. You understand what happened there. And then Valor is offering a Bitcoin and Ethereum ETP on the Euronext stock exchange. So, we're going to read about that. And then we'll do the shout out to Daily Summary as per usual. So, welcome back, everybody. Let's get her done. And this is how we get her done. We start like over here. And then we do a little bit of look. We head on over. Bang. And then we do a little bit of look. Refresh. Fucking Bitcoin. I told you guys, don't worry. We'll see what happens in Q1 this year. All right. Price of Bitcoin, $46,733. Take this time to buy. Take this time to accumulate. Build those portfolios, ladies and gentlemen. Look. Get them while they're hot. All right. Price of Bitcoin is $46,730. Hold on.
Daggone, hold on, you daggone miscreants.
All right. Price of Bitcoin is $46,733. When I left you, when was that? Tuesday or Wednesday? It was $48,873. So you've gone down. $2,140. Look. All right. There we go. All right. So, top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. You know who they are. The usual suspects. Top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tether, Solana, Cardano, USD Coin, XRP, Avalanche, and Terra. Oh, the Avalanche is kicking ass.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Market moves of the day. Single digits up to single digits down. Terra, look at you, 13% up. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Oh, Tron. Yeah, this thing. So the guy who created Tron, Justin Sun, he went and got a government job in Grenada. And he's going to be the Grenada representative to the World Trade Organization. Pretty wild shit, right? I mean, you're Chinese, buddy. What? Yeah, but he's going to be the Grenada representative to the WTO, World Trade Organization. All right, Decentraland, look at you. Bang, Hedera, look at you. All right, Sigil is up, Sigil is down, Sigil is up, Sigil is down. Actually, it's mostly just up, isn't it? Sigil is up, Sigil is down, Sigil is up. Oh, there we got some down. Sigil is up, Sigil is down. Two, Sigil is up, Sigil is down. All right. Now let's see who lost money today. If you see anything here you like, go get it because it's on sale. Let's check her out. Bang! What we got? Ooh, not much. All right, top 10 losers. Urine Finance, Helium, Bora, Unicidlio, Immutable X, Compound, Waves, Monero, Pax Dollar, and USD Coin. Let's see who made money today. Bang! Top 10 gainers.
Oh, yeah, we got some gains around these parts.
Got some gains around these parts. Look. Top 10 gainers. Hedera, Decentraland, Terra, Arweave, Cosmos, Curve DAO Token, Decred, Chainlink, Avalanche, and Polygon. Yeah. Wow. Okay, anyway. Yeah, Polygon and Avalanche should be up because that's the first story I'm about to read to you.
Nice.
All right, what do we got here? What do we talk about? Market cap. Bah. What we got? Me. Anyway, at least we're still above 2 trillion. Fuck, man. Remember when we almost made it to 3 there for a second?
Daggone.
Don't worry, we'll be there. All in due time, folks. All in due time. Let me tell you, the markets is a lot of hurry up and wait. That's what we say. Hurry up and wait. Use these times to accumulate while you hurry up and wait. God, don't worry about it. Look, I've told you on this channel many times before. We don't give a fuck about price here. Not on this channel. Until we get regulatory clarity. Until then, the prices, I don't give a fuck. Don't give a fuck. Don't care about the prices. Just keep buying when they're at the lowest you can get them. Well, just keep buying anything that's generating revenue. Just keep buying, accumulating whatever generates revenue, right? Don't worry about that. About the day-to-day, week-to-week, kind of fluctuations, right? In terms of your portfolio, because you can be assured that when smart money arrives, once you have regulatory clarity and all the fund masters and everyone start coming and building funds and doing all this fancy stuff with this stuff, yeah, if you have a revenue generating product in your portfolio, wow, bang, your portfolio is going to fly. You got Chainlink, well, that comes to the rescue. Bang. You got Singularity Net, well, they got a walking, talking robot. Bang. Right? You got IOTA, yeah, well, the whole European Union is using it for their mining industry supply chain. Bang. You see what I'm saying? As long as you've got quality product, do not worry about the price. Don't worry. One day we're going to have regulatory clarity, and I'm thinking Q1, Q2 next year. Even the Russians today said that they're going to do their regulations early next year, they said. But then again, they did say they were going to do it before, and it never did pan out. But, everybody, it's at the point now where you got to do it. Countries have to do it. I guess you don't have to do anything, but this thing is moving, and they want to make sure that, this space is moving. You got DeFi, you got all this stuff moving. They want to regulate it so that there's, for, investor protections and all that kind of stuff, right? And so, and to make it regulated so the big boys can come in. I'm sure the big boys are telling those politicians, come on and regulate. We want in, right? Well, why aren't they here now? Well, if you're new to this channel, maybe you don't know, but, a hedge fund master, he's not allowed to put his clients' money in unregulated stuff. Yeah, so your VeChain, your IOTAs, your Stellars, your Chainlinks, your Moneros, your Polygons, your whatevers. Yeah, they're not allowed to buy that for their customers. They're not allowed to put the customers' money in that. Yeah, but they want to, believe me. But so as soon as, and that's what we're waiting for. If you're new to this channel, we're waiting for regulatory clarity. In other words, legislation from the government signed by the president saying these are the rules, this is what these kind of cryptos are going to be classified as, that's what these are going to be classified as, securities, commodities, whatever, property, whatever, and they'll be taxed at . Once that's over, once that clarity arrives, all the little details, all those fine little details, wow, the masters are going to come. Oh, yeah, they're going to come hard, and they're going to come heavy. This place, it's going to be like the dot-com bubble. When I was a kid, if you're young here listening to this, you probably didn't know that, well, computers haven't been here forever. They just came around in the 90s. And, this thing called the internet is relatively new. What are we at? Less than about 30 years old only. So we had a thing called the dot-com bubble back in the days. And look, everyone was getting rich. Buying Cisco, Microsoft, IBM, Dell computers, Gateway, all of it. Back in there used to be a thing called America Online. People were making millions off that. And that's what this space is going to be like. This is Web 3.0. This is the upgrade to the internet we have now. And the systems and stuff and the way we do things now. And so accumulate. Do not fear. Oh, the price is down today. Yeah, man. Evergrande in China just defaulted again today. Right? Because they defaulted last week on one thing they had to do, and they defaulted again today. People are freaking out. This Omicron thing. Well, it's not killing people, but it looks like, it's still fucking shit up. London is going to, or the Netherlands is going on a lockdown. London declared a state of emergency today. Israel is banning so many countries from coming and from their citizens to go. So, shit, it is fucking things up. I thought it was just going to be nothing burger, but it's looking bad. So, like I said, over the next few weeks, a month or two, don't expect us to get back up to 70 grand or anything, maybe even close to that. If we can get back into the mid 50s under these conditions, fine, great, be happy. Okay, so use this time while we're down here to accumulate. Because once the headwinds blow over, once the storm blows over, we're going to be back rip roaring again. And especially once we have regulatory clarity, when those guys get here, well, that's your whole to the moon shit, right? So there you go. That's the blast off, okay? So don't worry. Accumulate. You're going to be rich. You're going to be fucking rich. Believe me. Just make sure it's working product. Okay? It's actually being used in the real world. Not just some website with some vision from some crypto nerd. Make sure that it actually has onboardings. Fortune 500, government contracts preferably. Those are my preferences. And so do that. And don't worry about this, guys. I know people are kind of down. I go, oh, look at the market down. Yeah, so what? You got all these memes out there. This was my account the other day. This is my account today. Settle down, fucking losers. Yeah, that's how markets work. Yeah, we go risk off. Shit happens, fucker. Well, eventually you go back risk on. We're not going to be risk off forever. So calm down. Okay? All right. So you're going to be rich. Don't worry. When regulatory clarity hits, there it is. That's ignition to the moon. All right, let's move on and get to the stories. Just want to give you a little pep talk there. Cheer you up a little bit, guys. Settle down, especially you new people who don't get it. We're waiting for clarity. Until then, buy every dip you can. Buy the dip, idiot. BTDI. Buy the dip, idiot. That's all you got to do. You just keep doing that. Just keep packing that warehouse with the chicken. And when these hungry bastards come, you'll serve it up. And you are going to be rich. All right. Look, Crypto with Manager Vaneck launches Polygon and Avalanche investment offerings. Bang! So this is the kind of stuff we need. Not just Bitcoin and Ethereum. We need these small caps. Mid and small caps getting in. With investment vehicles been made out of them. All right, so let's see what they're talking about here. So look, the wealth manager Vaneck has announced it has expanded its exchange-traded note offerings to support the tokens Polygon and Avalanche. Bang! The two ETNs follow 5 previously launched funds in Europe that allow investors to gain exposure to leading digital assets. Vaneck's Polygon and Avalanche adds Polygon and Avalanche to its list of cryptocurrency ETNs. Vaneck has announced the launch of 2 ETNs that leverage the crypto assets Polygon, Matic, and Avalanche, AVAX. The ETNs represent shares of either AVAX or Matic, and the funds are fully collateralized. Fully collateralized, bang! They take them off the market. Vaneck expands its crypto investment offering with 2 new ETNs on crypto platforms, Avalanche and Polygon, the wealth manager tweeted on December 16th. Avalanche and Polygon have seen significant demand this year and have gathered massive gains year to date. The token Avalanche has seen its market capitalization join the top 10 digital assets in the world in terms of overall valuation. Today, AVAX holds the 9th position, climbing 3,500% from this time last year. And Polygon has also risen in value a great deal. Because why? Well, because people are actually using them. This is what you call working product. Okay? People are using this shit. All right? So don't invest into some crap where some guy's telling you some story on a website. Oh, yeah, we're going to be the greatest thing since sliced bread. Remember there was a little thing called Ripple? Weren't they supposed to be the Swift killers? Yeah. So until some company does what they say they're going to do, I mean, I don't tell you what to do with your money, but I don't invest in that kind of shit. Once you're actually doing what you say you're going to do, all right. That's called working product. Okay? That's called the chicken. That's called the chicken. Look. So Polygon has also risen. Straight chicken, homie. Polygon has also risen in value a great deal in 2021 with year-to-date gains of 11,393%.
Bang. Bang. Look.
All right. Matic is the 14th largest crypto asset in terms of market capitalization. And this is the kind of chicken I'm telling you about. Yeah, well, when smart money gets here, this is the kind of stuff they're going to buy, right? Because it's actually being used, okay? Blah, 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 around 15 billion. Both Matic and AVAX are compatible with Ethereum, but are also considered Ethereum competitors. Vaneck, to leverage crypto, compares MVIS data. Bank Frick to custody the crypto assets. All right, so the ETNs are offered by Vaneck are like exchange-traded funds, ETFs, but ETNs are considered unsecured debt securities. Vaneck, so it's more like it's sort of more like a bond or something, right? It's still an ETF, but just the way the technical insides of it are a little different than an ETF. But just whenever I read you ETNs, just like it says right here, it's the same shit as an exchange-traded fund. Don't worry about it. We don't need to get into every technical detail because it doesn't matter. Vaneck has tried to get its spot market Bitcoin ETF approved by the SEC this year, but the ETF was denied in mid-November.
Yeesh, big brains, why? Big brains, why?
Big brains. That would be Gary Gensler, the chairman of the SEC. The commissioner of the SEC, I should say. Or he's the chairman. Anyways, look, the Polygon and Avalanche ETNs use Crypto Compare's MVIS data to replicate the value and yield performance of each asset. So that's where they're going to get their price discovery from. The underlying crypto assets in Vaneck's ETNs are held in custody by Ban Frick and Company AG. The AVAX ETN ticker will be VAVA, VAVA. And the Matic ETN ticker will be VPL. Oh, because Polygon. Okay. So there we go, everybody. Buying AVAX holders, buy Avalanche holders, buy Polygon holders. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is good shit. This is good shit. And just good shit for, in general. We see that these companies are building investment vehicles around other things other than just Bitcoin and Ethereum. And this is what we need, like a VeChain ETF, a Chainlink ETN, Singularity Net, whatever, you know what I mean? Like all of it. Singularity Net futures, you know what I'm saying? We will. I mean, that's all going to happen. That's all going to happen. But just because we're at the starting of this, so I want to just show you, like I want to tell you first, that's where this is all going to go, right? It's going to be just like the stock market. You're going to have all the same investment vehicles, just like the stock market. It's not going to be any different. We're just at the beginning of it right now. And so, Yeah. Oh, shit. You know what I forgot? I just realized. We didn't do the market. Hold on. The 24-hour volume of the day. Sorry. I got caught up in talking to you guys. Hold on. All right. Sorry. So let's go back. Let's go back for a second. All right. 24-hour volumes, brothers. Okay. I forgot, brothers and sisters. Look. What are we talking about here? All right. 24-hour volume was $81.3 billion. When I left you last time, we're at $114.4 billion. So we've gone down $33.1 billion. All right. So there we go. There we go. Had to clean that up there. I missed that there. I got to yapping and forgot. All right. Let's move on to the next story. Bang. SEC delays decision on Bitwise and Grayscale's ETFs. So I'm assuming that these are spot market ETFs. So hold on. We'll read it. So it's expected that the next announcement will be in early February. All right, let's move on. So the United States SEC continues to delay decisions on Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, issuing 2 fresh deadline extension notices. On Wednesday, the SEC postponed 2 major Bitcoin exchange-traded offering proposals, including New York Stock Exchange's actual Bitcoin ETF, named Bitwise Bitcoin ETP Trust, and Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust Bitcoin ETF. The SEC now expects to decide whether to approve or disapprove, or institute proceedings to determine whether to disapprove Bitwise Bitcoin ETF and Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF on February 1st and February 6th, respectively. So the Commission finds that it is appropriate to designate a longer period within which to take action on the proposed rule change so that it has sufficient time to consider the proposed rule change and any comments received. SEC says, as previously reported, Bitwise Asset Management filed for a physical-backed Bitcoin ETF on October 14th, planning to provide exposure to actual BTC rather than derivatives like Bitcoin futures or other indirect exposure, in other words, spot market. So the firm subsequently dropped its own Bitcoin futures-based ETF application in November, as many of such products were launched in the United States. Grayscale is the world's largest Bitcoin fund with total assets under management amounting to $45.6 billion. The company applied to convert its flagship Bitcoin product to an ETF on October 19th. The latest news comes amid the SEC continuing to maintain its tough stance on physical crypto ETFs, so spot market ETFs. Okay, spot market ETFs. While approving a number of industry ETFs with indirect exposure to crypto, so futures contracts, including the Bitcoin Futures ETF by investment firm ProShares. In early December, the SEC rejected the spot Bitcoin ETF by asset manager WisdomTree after previously delaying a decision in June. In November 16th, the SEC rejected a physical BTF, spot market ETF by Vaneck, one of the world's first companies to ever file for a Bitcoin ETF. The company still opted to launch a Bitcoin Futures ETF trading on the Chicago Bourse. All right, so bang. So usual stuff, guys, usual stuff. They haven't been denied, but they haven't been approved. It's just been delayed till, I believe it said February 6th or something, right? There were 2 dates, February 4th and February 6th. So as usual, we'll keep our eyes open, and I will keep you posted. Bang! Let's move on. Bang! Valor's Bitcoin and Ethereum ETPs set to list on Euronext Stock Exchange. Let's check it out. So Swiss digital asset issuer Valor recently announced the listing of its Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange-traded product on the Pan-European Stock Exchange Euronext in Paris and Amsterdam. Pan-European, so anyone in Europe can buy these. The fresh development comes 2 months after the company listed its 2 products, Bitcoin Zero and Ethereum Zero, on the German Stock Exchange in Frankfurt. So according to Diana Diggs, CEO of Valor, the availability of these products on Euronext paves the way for the company's continuous expansion in Europe and is a major step towards making digital asset accessible by investors. This listing is a tremendous step for Valor. Our mission is to broaden investor access to digital assets. Expanding into different European markets is at the heart of that mission, and this listing with Euronext in Paris and Amsterdam is a fantastic milestone. We're in a key phase of growth for both Valor and our parent company DeFi Technologies as we continue our journey to create a truly innovative and accessible product offering. So Russell Starr, CEO of DeFi Technologies, the parent company of Valor, is also excited about the development, viewing it as one of the ways the digital asset issuer has fulfilled its promise of launching new products and expanding into new markets. On December 2020, Valor launched its zero management fees Bitcoin ETP, Bitcoin Zero, created for the sole purpose of providing retail and institutional investors an easy, secure, and cost-effective way to invest in a wide variety of popular digital assets such as Bitcoin. So, meanwhile, in a similar development, leading ETP provider 21 Shares recently announced the listing of the largest mid-cap cryptocurrency ETP on the Swiss stock exchange SIX. Bang! The new product will track the mid-cap investment results of the top 10 cryptos, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, so we read about that. The development comes 10 months after the Switzerland-based provider launched the world's first Polkadot ETP, called .ETP, on the regulated segment of the Swiss stock exchange SIX. So, bang! So there we go, another ETP. So today's the day of the funds. An ETP is just a fund, and that first thing I read you, it said an ETN. An ETN is just a fund. So today's the day of the fund. Here they are. So more investment vehicles. These are the kind of regulated investment vehicles that when the time comes, the hedge funds and all those boys can come get them, right? Obviously, we've talked about it here. Europe is eating our lunch. Europe is launching, well, look at these guys. They're launching stuff, in Euronext. These are all regulated instruments. And America's got to catch up. We need regulatory clarity or we'll be left behind. So, all right, let's get to shout-outs. But what are we talking about here? Mahdi. Look, brother. Love her, but see, brother. Bye. Ruby. Sounds like a girl. Lady. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bye. Deep Entertainment. So, brother. Love her, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Bitcoin Kong. Wow. Yes. Love her, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Victor. Love her, brother. See you, brother. Bye. KJ Gatsby. Keep pushing that chicken, dog. Love her, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Stay strong.
Oh, yeah.
What else we got? New follower. Arubala Debbie. I'm a professional digital marketer, SEO professional, Facebook and YouTube expert. All right. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bye. I know you sent me a message. I'm gonna answer you. Like I said, I've been busy lately. But don't worry, I saw you DM me. I'll talk to you this weekend sometime. All right, what's Kong talking about? CB News? Yes. What is he saying? Get that chicken, piggy wiggy. Look. You know how we do around these parts. Look, daggone right. Bon, get that chicken, piggy wiggy. Vaneck launches a Polygon and Avalanche offering. Boom. SEC delays Bitwise Grayscale Bitcoin ETF. Boom. And Valor, Bitcoin and Ethereum ETPs launch on Euronext exchange. Boom. And if you follow this channel and you pay close attention and you fill your portfolio with that chicken, meaning working product, well, your portfolio is going to look like boom. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Kong. Bye.
Oh, yeah. Pay attention.
And you're going to get a big boom. All right, abundantly me. Love your brother, see you, brother, and the kid. Bang. We got here miscreants.
Oh, yeah.
All manner. Son of a bitch. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Got you wrong. Curse. Son of a man. Love your brother, see you, brother. No savior. Bang. And you're a chain of the enforcer.
You trying to sell some shit? What are you, fucking stupid, motherfucker?
Look. Bang. Bang. Psh, psh, psh. Settle down.
The juice is worth a squeeze.
You tell him, Andrew. Love her, brother, see you, brother. Bye. Lorna all in downs. Look. She said, look. I'm buying it all, fuck sticks. Better hurry up before it's all gone. Love you, Lorna. See you, Lorna. Bye. Radster. Holding down the insurgency in Eastern Europe. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bengals fan. Bye. Well, new person. Distill. Whatever you think you should know, just ask. I'm not shy. Oh, you've been around before. All right. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Biniam. Connecting the dots. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Robbie Hardaway. From the multiverse. He's been with us so long, his picture's in black and white. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. What else we got here? We got Universal Misanthrope holding down the insurgency in Central Europe for us. Bang! And head of CB News Security. Levered by the Sea Brother. Bang! And then we got Grudgeable. Levered by the Sea Brother. Oh, that was a great dinner it looked like you showed us. Oh, yeah, festive. Levered by the Sea Brother. Bang! And I like that you showed what you really looked like. Because it's funny, you know, we're all talking to each other, but we really don't know how each other looks like. I mean, you all know what I look like. But I just have an imagination in my mind of what all you guys look like, right? So when I get to actually see you, it's like, oh, okay. All right, what's Grunchable or Universal Misanthrope saying? Bang. All right, bang. First on Twitter. Oh, okay, Grunchable. Lucky you. First on Twitter. You got it. The kingdom belongs to you alone. Yes. Long live the king. Bang. And then we got a few more here. Technically bullish. Oh, wait, a few more. We better open this one up. Technically bullish. Love you with the sheep of the bang. Beautiful Brawleys. Love you, lady. See you, lady. This much. Bang. All right, and then there's everybody. We did all that. Bang. Everyone gets the love. Everyone got a bang. Everyone got the love. Let's head back to the Death Star pocket. Bye. Welcome back to the... Whoops. Bye. Welcome back to the Death Star, everybody. All right. So, quick show. Nice and easy. I decided to just wrap all these funds up in one show. And then, just thought it'd be interesting. Just a show of funds. So, first funds. Vaneck launches Polygon and Avalanche offering. So, again, I cannot stress enough. We're going to need funds for everything eventually. Like I told you, it's going to be like the stock market eventually, but that's going to be a while, right? A few years until everyone's rolling out everything and stuff. But that's how it's going to be. And there's a good beginning in that we want these small caps, to get get put in a fund, right? You take the asset off the market into the fund. Into the fund. So that's perfect. So Polygon and Avalanche hodlers, buy. Nice. When you saw those numbers we read, up multiple thousands on the year. So if you were an early Polygon hodler, Matic, I guess, or an early Avalanche hodler, nice. Congratulations. All right, and then the next story. SEC delays Bitwise Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF. So another delay. All right, and then so we just have to hurry up and wait. I mean, there's nothing to say about it. You know how the SEC works. They either approve you, deny you, or delay you. Or they even can just let your thing expire without making it a ruling, and then it's up to you. And so this is a delay, and so we shall wait and see. Bye. And then finally, Valor's Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs are going on the Euronext stock exchange. And so as you can see, Europe, right? I mean, these are regulated products that are coming out here. Me, I like it when we're getting away from the Bitcoin and Ethereum, but everything counts. Everything matters. Every crypto investment vehicle is a good vehicle. So, you know what I mean? We'll take it. Let's not be too picky. So, don't be too picky. You know what I mean? Look. And so that's it, guys. So on that note, let's chill it and kill it. Bang! Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Subscribe below. Press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. In the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. I love talking money. Bang! Love talking crypto. Bang! This is the favorite time of my day. So thank you for having me in your home, and I'll see you all tomorrow for another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk. So until then, subscribe here and press the bell. Bang! Watch that video there. Bang! Get your mind right. And I'll see you all tomorrow. So my name's Shomari Clarke. Always watch the money. And most importantly for you. Haha. Yes. Well, except for the past couple days, I am always on duty. Bang! Yes. Barring any legal intrusions, I'm always on duty. Bang! All right, guys. Over and out.